What is good, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today, condensate management, baby. We have a system here. Obviously, this float switch has not been working. It's not obvious to you because you don't know. What they've been doing is wheeling this over, catching all the water, specifically with these style floats. Those and the SS2s, I see a high failure rate. So anytime I do install condensate management float switches or change them out, I always use the Assurity ones. They have a latching mechanism and they do cover up to $2,500 in water damages. I've heard it called ceiling savers. I've never heard it called that until I moved to Florida. Y'all let me know, do you guys call them ceiling savers also? But let's go ahead, get up here, cut the power, install this. That way all of these units here are protected. Fortunately, this isn't above a unit. I've seen that in the past. Always one. I honestly cannot stand Carrier. Okay, so I wanted to address the elephant in the room and talk about these Carrier doors. I cannot stand the amount of insulation that gets sucked off of these doors and brought onto the blower motors. Now, it could be because there's a lot of moisture inside of there and it's just ripping off the adhesive. But, you know, if they use something that was a little bit more moisture wicking maybe and would be able to withstand like a moisture bound area like Camel City Mill socks. You didn't think you were going to make it out of this video without a Camel City segment, did you? Well, luckily for you guys, Camel City's the sponsor of today's video. Let me tell you all about them. First of all, made in America, Ironside Dan Merino wool, moisture wicking, reinforced toes and heels. Next stand, that's 5. 10-year warranty, multiple colorways, multiple lengths. Literally the best socks you guys can invest in. If you're out in the field, in the trenches, sweating, when it's cold outside, they got the insulated kind. These are the best socks money can buy. The best investment in a uniform outside of work boots. But if you're gonna have good boots, you better have good socks. So put the money where your feet are. Click the link down below. Bundle and save with Camel City Mill. Use discount code Kraus. They'll take care of you. And I appreciate you guys watching. So let's go ahead, put this insulation back on there. Maybe they should use some moisture wicking insulation. That'd probably hold up a little bit better. So let's get this job finished. But as you can see, that's no good. Now the shitty part is the way they designed this, so I'm gonna go ahead and have to cut it right there. Should be able to get to the back side of this. It's gonna crack it. Just don't. There we go. I'll take that all the way out. Chuck it. What I like is they put that little rubber gasket there, that little seal. That way you're not going to overdo these. You guys may be very familiar with it, but these Carrier drain pans are notorious for cracking. So you don't got to go crazy. And then this piece fits right inside that 90. It's a good, tight, secure fit. My favorite thing about these is the see-through part. It makes it so simple and redundant for the homeowners or customers to see, hey, check your drain line. Is it backed up? Yeah, there's water in there. All right, well, all you gotta do, one, you can just take this one out, dump it out, re-secure your switch, call it a day. So now I'll just take this wire, route it up in. All right, so. Now me, personally, I am a red breaker, not a Y breaker, just because, again, a little bit easier for the customer to know that the system's not working, usually, but this gives them a nice clear indicator, literally clear indicator of why it's not working. So go ahead and I'm gonna tighten this up, clean it up a little bit, make it look a little bit prettier. Go ahead and set that down, bada bing, bada boom. There goes the timer. With that being said, guys, if you're ever in a supply house, you have a big voice wherever you go, because they need to listen to us as the contractors, the people in the field, what products they should be stocking. So just ask your local distributor to stock any Assurity condensate management products, or if you want to see them, they can order it in, no problem. Go ahead and check out the Assurity product line. I'll put the brochure down below. There'll be a link. Go ahead and click it. But with that being said, y'all, if you could smash the like button, consider subscribing. All of my subscribers, y'all already know. I appreciate y'all, and I will catch y'all on the next one. Later.